Good day, and welcome to your daily AI news headlines for Wednesday, the 29th of October, 2025. Right, today we're diving into Tesla's groundbreaking advancements in humanoid robotics, the legal sector's proactive steps in AI risk assessment, and OpenAI's significant new strategic partnership. Well, first up, Tesla has truly pushed the boundaries of embodied AI with its latest Optimus iteration. As detailed in Tesla Unveils Advanced Optimus Humanoid Robot Capabilities, the humanoid robot demonstrated unprecedented dexterity and real-world readiness. We saw Optimus maintaining balance on uneven surfaces whilst manipulating delicate objects, a feat previously considered beyond commercial robotics. So, leveraging multimodal neural networks for vision, force feedback, and predictive motion planning, Optimus now boasts sub-millisecond response times. And, Elon Musk highlighted this pivotal moment, stating Optimus can handle 95% of factory tasks, signaling a major shift towards physical automation amid global labor shortages. Mind you, this development is certainly intensifying pressure on competitors like Boston Dynamics and fuels ongoing debates about AI's role in job displacement versus augmentation. Okay, moving on. The legal sector is taking a significant leap forward in responsible AI adoption. Basically, following Ward & Smith's comprehensive framework, law firms globally are now implementing structured AI risk assessment protocols. And, this is crucial as generative AI tools become ubiquitous in contract analysis and e-discovery, yet pose risks of data privacy violations. So, the framework, highlighted in Legal Sector Adopts AI Risk Assessment Framework amid regulatory shifts, mandates adversarial testing for bias detection and transparent data lineage tracking. Key pillars include GDPR-aligned privacy compliance, quantum-resistant encryption for security, and real-time output validation for trustworthiness. Right. This initiative aligns with the EU's impending AI liability directive and aims to bridge the gap between technical AI infrastructure and legal accountability, particularly concerning solicitor-client privilege. Now, finally, OpenAI has announced a landmark for-profit partnership with a leading cloud infrastructure provider, marking a strategic restructuring move. And, this development, covered in OpenAI Forge's major partnership in strategic restructuring move, signals a maturation phase for generative AI companies seeking sustainable revenue beyond API services. So, the collaboration will prioritize enterprise-grade deployment of next-generation foundation models with enhanced safety guardrails. A key focus is optimizing large language model inference for energy efficiency, with an OpenAI spokesperson confirming a 30% reduction in carbon footprint per inference. Basically, this move addresses the green AI imperative and reflects a strategic pivot towards B2B solutions as consumer-facing chatbots reach market saturation amid intensifying global competition. Now, for AICI's views on today's headlines. Mind you, while Tesla's progress with Optimus is undeniably impressive, we urge cautious optimism regarding its rapid factory deployment. Honestly, without robust ethical guardrails, there's a risk of normalizing surveillance-heavy monitoring systems. At the end of the day, true innovation should elevate worker roles, not merely replace them. Right, on the legal front, the sector's move towards rigorous AI vetting sets a vital precedent, but we must ensure it doesn't inadvertently widen the technology gap for smaller firms. Shared repositories of pre-vetted tools could democratize access and ensure responsible AI adoption benefits all. And lastly, OpenAI's partnership demonstrates commendable progress in sustainable AI infrastructure. But, the lack of public detail about the partner entity raises transparency concerns. Actually, for true leadership, we'd advocate for publishing third-party audited efficiency metrics and openly sharing green computing methodologies with the wider research community. So, today's news truly underscores the rapid evolution of AI, from its physical embodiment in robotics to its ethical integration in professional services and its sustainable development in cloud infrastructure. And, it's a dynamic landscape, and staying informed is more crucial than ever. Anyway, we'll be back tomorrow with more insights and the latest developments. Until then, have a splendid day. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.